channel. So today it is the first episode, can we call it that? First episode in my new series that I'm doing on my channel. It is Test It Tuesday. So we're going to find random things to test, whether it be food, items, beauty products, whatever it is that I find to test on a Tuesday, we'll be testing it. Today is actually Tuesday, so this will not be going up till next week unless I can get it edited and uploaded today, but you will know. Maybe you'll know, because it'll be a Tuesday when it goes up, so. Today we are testing out these microwaveable slippers with buckwheat. Superior softness. One size fits most. So if you got really big feet, this ain't gonna fit you. If you got really, really tiny feet, these ain't gonna fit you. Here it is here. It says, instructions for use. Intended to be worn seated. That? They did. Should say while seated, and that's not while. They didn't spell while. Right. While seated, not designed as footwear. To heat, place in microwave on medium for 1 minute. Care instructions. Do not immerse in water. Remove dirty marks with damp sponge or soap. Do not soak. Do not wring. Do not bleach. Do not dry clean. Dry flat in shade. Made in China. Okay, so they are pretty heavy. One size fits most. You see what it says in there? Alright. So you're supposed to put these in the microwave, and if you watched my January favorites, you saw that my hot water bottle's been like my love this month. So put on your feet, hot water bottles, basically. Let's go try these out. Okay, so we're at the microwave. I have them in the microwave. We're going to put them on. It said 1 minute. We're just going to do 30 seconds and then 30 seconds again. Alright, we'll put them in for the rest of the 30 seconds. Okay. 1 minute. They feel okay. I'm going to put them in for another 20 seconds. Okay, so they're out of the microwave, and I'm going to put them on and see what this feels like. Sorry for the shakiness. They are not exactly the most flattering thing in the world, but they are nice and warm. They do feel almost a little bit damp, which is weird. I don't know. But they are nice and warm, and I will come back and tell you how long it lasts. Okay, so I've had these things on my feet for over 5 minutes, and am I shaking? Camera, I'm sorry. And they're still nice and warm, and I didn't think they were going to last that long. So they seem to last a while. I kind of really like these. I think it's a really quick idea, so if you're like cold and you want to, like curl into your blankets, or you're not feeling well, these would be good to heat up and throw on your feet. So yeah, I give them a big thumbs up for $3 at the Dollarama. Yes, I think you should try them if you see them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and look out for more Test It Tuesdays. Bye guys!